Ellen McCauley, pray it up. The third control that people have a hard time wrapping their head around is portion control. It still is calories. If you're having fruits and veggies and protein, it doesn't mean you're automatically going to lose weight. Otherwise, we'd all weigh 0, wouldn't we? I mean, there's still calories in and calories out. Portion size is so important, and it's a huge issue in this group. We think that we're eating healthy, and it says right here, a serving size is 3 to 4 small crackers, not the whole roll. Also, a serving size of vegetables is a half a cup of cooked veggies. That's a serving size. Half a cup of berries, a cup of yogurt. Most yogurts are 2 serving sizes. And it gives you little guidelines here. Vegetables and fruit is the size of your fist. Pasta is a scoop. Meat and fish, a deck of cards. Snacks, which you shouldn't even be having, is a cupped handful. A baseball. Some of the Honey Crisp I have eaten this season are big enough to be like 3 apples. And I'm thinking, I'm so healthy, I'm eating an apple, but I had like 3 apples. Also, just take a look at that. Try to use smaller dishes at meals. One of the things I do, if we do go out to eat, which isn't often, and let's say I get a frittata, because everything in a frittata is on a Whole30 plan, and I go up to Finally Ours, I'll say to her, I'll have a frittata, and I would like a to-go home dish at the same time you bring the frittata. So she brings it. I put it immediately in the to-go list, the dish, set it aside, and eat what I put on my plate. And I can eat that frittata for 4 times. 4 meals I get out of 1 frittata. And if you sat there and ate it all, it'd be 4 meals worth. So get your to-go, because if you leave it on your plate and you're talking, the next thing you know, pick. Beware of mini snacks. I've never had a Costco membership, and the people in the group who say, I love going to Costco because of the samples. I say, really? I didn't realize they had fruits and veggies and protein samples there. So watch that, and also don't leave food in sight. Use meat as a side dish. Split a serving with someone you love. Break down the leftovers like I tell you about. And exercise for weight control is you got to have a plan. The people here in the group that did Walk with Ease did such a wonderful job, and I'm going to ask one of them to talk about the program next week. And then I have some stretching exercises here that are so easy. Watch, look how hard this is. No one can say they have a bad knee and can't do that, because my knees did not move. So read these over and see if there's some exercise you can do. And just remember, in order to lose 1 pound, we have to walk for 12.5 hours. So when you think, well, I went for a 20-minute walk this week, why didn't I lose weight? I'll say to you, did you walk 12.5 hours? And then I put a little scale in here of how you lose calories. Like going to Mass, exercise benefits us most when we make it a regular part of our lives. Gonna stop right there, Bobby. And the song is called